Hey, it's Arie here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to make money on JVZoo as an affiliate marketer. So if you are looking to do affiliate marketing, JVZoo is another affiliate marketplace you could sign up for, similar to ClickBank, except the benefit with JVZoo is that it's actually available pretty much worldwide. So anywhere you are in the world, you could sign up for JVZoo to become an affiliate for JVZoo. And you could market any of their products, from pretty much anywhere around the world. So I have gotten a few comments on, some of my previous videos actually about, ClickBank. People were asking, ClickBank isn't available like in India or Nigeria. So, they weren't able to, sign up and say what do I do then? Well, JVZoo is another site similar to ClickBank that you could pretty much sign up for regardless of where you are at. So that's really the benefit with JVZoo. So if you happen to be in one of those countries where ClickBank is not, available, then I would highly recommend joining JVZoo because that is another marketplace that you could of course join and you can promote any of their products. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to get started as a JVZoo affiliate and how to really make money on their platform. Before I really do that, if this happens to be your first video that you are seeing here, I talk primarily about affiliate marketing, how to grow a business online, different ways of making money online. So if that is the thing that interests you and you want to learn more about that, definitely be sure to subscribe to this channel down below. Click the button right below and click the bell icon to be notified of all the new videos that I post on this channel. Without further ado, let's talk about JVZoo and how to make money as an affiliate for JVZoo. So I'm currently logged into the JVZoo marketplace right here, and here I'm on the list of different products that are available. So JVZoo primarily offers products that are digital, usually in the form of software, video creation software right here. You've got a whole bunch of offers that are kind of in the make money online / business opportunity niche. That's primarily what JVZoo has to offer, and there is a very good earning potential with JVZoo. So I could check out any of these products. For instance, Video Maker FX. I could open this one up in a new tab, and to give you an idea, this would be what the product looks like. Or actually, to see exactly the product, you would have to check out the sales page right here. So I could just click on this, and then this will bring me to the sales page for Video Maker FX. I could take a look at the product here. I could learn more about it. They've got a video here that pretty much explains how Video Maker FX works. So it's pretty much like a video software. But if I want to promote this product as an affiliate, the price for this would be $27 for customer to buy it. And then anytime you refer someone to this product to buy it, you would get a 50% commission. So that is about a $13.50 commission that you would get for each sale that you make with Video Maker FX. So not bad, right? If I want to promote this product with JVZoo, you have to first request approval to promote the product. So what you would want to do is you would want to, click I've read and followed any instructions, and then you just want to, write, like a short message like, hey, I'd like to request access to review this product. You click on I'm not a robot, and then you request affiliate approval. Once you do that, then you can pretty much promote, the product that you are approved for. And then anytime you refer someone to the product, you would then get paid a commission. Now the question is, how exactly do you go about promoting these products? Because there's a lot of people that are trying to get into affiliate marketing, whether it's on JVZoo, whether it's on ClickBank, whether it's on Warrior Plus or any other affiliate marketplace, and they are promoting a lot of these products the wrong way, the way that the masses are doing, and they're not really getting the long-term results that they want. So how exactly do you go about promoting Video Maker FX or any of these other offers inside of JVZoo? Well, it's actually very simple. Pre-framing is by far one of the most important things. Most people, what they do is when they have an offer they're trying to promote, what they'll try and do is they will get as many clicks to the sales page as fast as possible. So a lot of people, the average marketer will buy into some sort of product, and they'll just try and spam that link all over the place, their own affiliate link, hoping that if they get enough people on that link, that they'll just end up buying the product right away. The number one thing you must understand is that people generally don't buy like this. They need to see the offer multiple times, for one, and they also need to be pre-framed with the right mindset on exactly what the product has to offer, how it could help them, And they need to know exactly, whether or not it is a fit for them. Because with, a lot of things online, being online nowadays, it's very easy to get scammed. There's a lot of garbage products out there, and it's very, very important that you're able to, build trust with your audience. And then this way, whenever you recommend something, then they will be much more interested in actually buying the product. So rather than just sending people straight to an offer, it's very, very important that you are able to pre-frame them in some way first. Now, there's two ways you could really go about this. There is, free traffic methods where you are like this would be like in the form of like if you're doing like YouTube videos, like kind of like what I'm doing here, or it could be, creating blog posts where you are, putting out content on a regular basis. You're building a following of people that know, like, and trust you. And then this way, whenever you recommend something, they're going to be much more interested in actually buying whatever it is you recommend, because they'll see that you're putting out lots of content, you're building lots of trust with them. And then, this way, when you recommend something, they're going to know that whatever it is that you recommend, chances are it's actually going to be good. It's going to be something that they want to know more about. And this way, this is how you really separate yourself from the masses that are just trying to spam, random clicks to their affiliate links, hoping that they, get a sale right away. So a lot of people, they have like this get rich quick mindset when it comes to affiliate marketing, and they want to just, get into the money really fast. Well, you have to understand that people, they only buy from those that they know, like, and trust. So what I highly recommend if you decide to go the method of getting free traffic is you should start a YouTube channel. You could either do a YouTube channel, you could start up a website, you could write articles, or you could do like a Facebook profile, and you can connect with people on there. But I would preferably go with, either YouTube or setting up a website. The benefit with YouTube actually is, it doesn't cost you anything to start up a YouTube channel. You don't have to pay anything to get a YouTube channel started, and you could pretty much create videos, kind of like what I'm doing here. You could either do videos like a Screencast-O-Matic, or you could record videos, like on your phone, and you want to pick a niche that is relevant to the products that you're promoting. So in this case, if you want to promote products on JVZoo, chances are you would want to go in the niche of, talking about products, related to making money online. So that's primarily what JVZoo offers, and you would want to talk primarily about, how you could, how you want to talk specifically about, how to, solve, certain problems in that specific niche. If people are looking to make money online, if they're looking for a way to, create videos, they want some sort of video editing software, you'd want to be putting out relevant content on a very consistent basis. The more you do this, the more you will build up a following of people that actually know, like, and trust you. And then this way you could pretty much you could recommend anything that you feel could really help them. And this is really how you build trust with people this way, is by putting out lots of content on a regular basis. And I think starting a YouTube channel in general is by far one of the smartest things you could really do if you are looking to get into affiliate marketing, because it's free organic traffic in the long term. It may not be fast traffic coming in right away, but as long as you are consistent with it, it's some of the best traffic that you could really get in the long term. And keep in mind, with a YouTube channel, you could pretty much promote anything you want. You could promote multiple offers at a time. A YouTube channel pretty much allows you to, have, almost everything pretty much under one umbrella, where you could create videos on different products and services that you could recommend to people. And then if you have a large enough following that actually know, like, and trust you, and you have built up a good authority in a specific niche, then you could pretty much generate sales pretty much on autopilot, because YouTube is much like a search engine, kind of like Google. People go on YouTube, they search up questions, how to make money online, how to get in better shape, how to, improve their relationships, anything, along those lines. And if you are able to get videos ranked in certain search phrases like that, and people find your content, then your videos are pretty much like salespeople pretty much working for you 24/7 pretty much. So really think about that. That is by far some of the most powerful traffic that you can get in the long term. But that is the free method that you can go. I know I've talked quite a lot about that. The other method you can go is with paid traffic methods. Now, what I personally recommend, actually, if you are just getting started and you want to do some paid traffic, if you want to do, paid advertising, what I would recommend is you first want to, of course, pick your offer that you want to promote. In my case, let's say that I wanted to promote, video boost commercial, right? I click on this offer, I visit the sales page. Of course, you would want to first learn more about what it is that you're offering before you go and, recommend it. You never want to, promote something just for the sake of making money. You always want to make sure that is something that you truly believe in, something that you believe can actually help people. And as long as you find actual good products that are well needed in the marketplace and you truly believe in it, then it's going to be much easier for you to actually sell and, make sales on that actual product. So what I could do is I can go to the sales page for the product that I'm promoting. In this case, video robot commercial. And what I could do, check this out. This is actually really cool. Is I could highlight the domain name for the actual product. So videoshoot.io. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to go to a site called similarweb.com. And this is going to show me all the data on, exactly, where the traffic is coming from for this product and what affiliates are doing to actually generate sales with this. So this is actually a very cool website. You could, paste in the link here, videorobot.io. You just search this up right here, and it's going to give us some data that you could, you could analyze, and you could see exactly what is working for affiliates that are promoting it. So right here it shows, if I want to scroll down a bit, shows like the global rank, like 2 million something right there. Country rank in the US, 623,000. Looks like this one doesn't have as much data right here, but traffic sources, it shows most of it is coming directly. So I believe that is probably like from JVZoo directly, like people going to JVZoo and they're finding the product that way. 15% is coming from referrals, 10% coming from search, 4.3% coming from social, so on and so forth. In this case, again, it doesn't look like a whole lot. Not like all the information is being shown up, but usually when you type in a specific offer that you're promoting, you type in the domain of it, it'll show you all the data that you need to know in terms of where the traffic is coming from, like different, search phrases that are being used from actual content creators. So like video robot, top 5 organic keywords. So you could actually create, if you are creating like YouTube videos or, blog articles, you could actually target these exact same keywords right here. And these are the keywords that are making the most amount of money. These are the keywords that are getting the most amount of clicks to the actual offer. So robotic software company sample video for website, video robot itself, 49.24%. If I scroll down a bit more, it'll show in terms of social, it shows most of the traffic, 81% of traffic is actually coming from YouTube. So that should tell you YouTube is actually a very great platform to get people interested in actually video robot. You'd want to create videos, of course, and you could create videos about that. Display advertising, I'm kind of disappointed that this didn't show up, but usually what it would do is it would show different results of where, in terms of paid traffic sources, where a lot of the traffic is coming from. Since it's not showing up here, I'm going to try a different product. I'm going to pause this real quick. All right, so I just put in Video Maker FX, the previous product that I was looking at, and I came down to the display section right here, and it shows 0.8% of all traffic is coming from paid advertising, and it looks like the only advertising platform being used is actually GitHub.com. So in this case, it'll show you that people are actually using GitHub.com to generate traffic to VideoMaker FX, and they're actually getting results with it. So what you could actually do if you are looking to do paid advertising is you can actually go to GitHub.com. You just click on Go to Website. This will take you to the website of GitHub.com, and then you could actually set up an ad to promote VideoMaker FX. So of course, you would want to create an account for GitHub.com. You'd want to go through the process of setting up an ad, likely putting an image that's relevant to the product, creating text about how the product can help the audience, and then it'll have you target people based on their very specific interests, likely maybe their location as well. And by doing this fairly consistently, then this is what's going to allow you to get in front of the right people. And then as long as you do this consistently, you get in front of the right people consistently, this will allow you to get sales coming in with pretty much promoting any product online. So this is what I would recommend doing if you are looking to go the paid traffic route. Otherwise, you got Facebook ads you can consider going with. You've got YouTube ads as well. You got Google AdWords, all that type of stuff. So you'd want to find products that you truly believe in. I would highly recommend starting a YouTube channel, creating content regularly. And as long as you could do this fairly consistently, as well as also maybe doing some paid advertising as well, this is what's really going to allow you to have the long-term results. So you may not be getting sales right away if you go the paid traffic route, but as long as you do this consistently, then it can really pay off in the long term if you can learn the skill of advertising effectively. So that is really what I want to mention there. Results aren't guaranteed right away, but you always want to have a long-term mindset with pretty much anything you do. So whether you're promoting products off of JVZoo, whether it's on ClickBank, whether it's on Warrior Plus, any other platform, any offer that you're trying to promote, you always want to make sure that you have a very long-term mindset. But anyways, that's really the video there. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, be sure to give this a like because it really does help the channel. Leave a comment down below letting me know if you found this valuable in any way. I'd really be interested to know. And if you'd like to learn more about how to really build a business online, you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing in the long term, then my free training in the description, which will be the very first link in the description, will get you access to my free training I put together, and that pretty much goes over the 4 main components you must have to really build a long-term business. So that is a 4-day training, 4 videos, and it goes over the 4 main things that you must really focus on if you want to build a long-term business. So if you want to go deeper into this and you want to learn more about that, be sure to visit that free training there. But anyways, take care.